Today 3SNET Network will tell about media buying in Japan, promotion features and prospects. Is gambling legal in Japan? The answer is yes, but at the same time nope. The regulation of gambling in the country has changed significantly over the past decade. The industry has become increasingly complicated and revised, with many exceptions and rules. Nevertheless, there is a clear positive trend in the country. Gambling is gradually being legalized. If you entering the Japanese market, the 3SNET network has a special article on how to effectively drive traffic and work with a Japanese audience. Did you know that, according to experts, in the very near future Japan has every chance to become the largest gambling market in Asia? The state apparatus of the country not only actively supports this business, but also undertakes a number of measures to develop the industry. Full speed ahead to Japan for traffic. There are no laws or restrictions in Japan that can prevent Japanese players from gambling with foreign online casino providers. Super terms for players and operators. By law in Japan, you can bet on certain types of races, participate in the lottery, and play a unique type of slots, pachinko. Find out what other unique gambling games are allowed in Japan. The growing demand for online gambling services among Japanese players and recently adopted regulations could be two major factors that will pave the way for the country's gambling industry to grow and become more open to new opportunities. A great chance to capture the market. The gambling industry is a promising niche that is rapidly developing and undergoing changes. If you don't want to miss any events in the world of online gambling, follow the news in our blog by Tag Reviews. Even now you can study the article about the features of Canada, Australia, Spain, Kazakhstan and many other countries. Share this video.